Hi everybody, Akhil here, and today I'm going to do a tornado experiment. First, what is a tornado? It's very simple. A tornado is a rapidly spinning column of air. How is a tornado formed? A tornado is formed when warm, moist air comes into contact with colder, dry air. Since the colder air is dense, it sinks below the warm air, which creates a spinning column of air. So, for this experiment, I have taken two water bottles and I removed the lids and taped them together using duct tape. And this will help us visualize a tornado. I'll just show you how. First, quickly flip this and then spin like this. So at the end, you should see a small tornado coming. If you didn't see it, I'll do it again. See? And this is a very simple way to visualize a tornado. A tornado gains its funnel shape when it hits the ground. Thank you.